People stop looking for bad stuff. They stop finding it. People that are constantly complaining about how this sucks and this sucks and this sucks, that's because they keep looking for it. You always find what you're looking for. And if you don't look for it, you don't find it. That doesn't mean it doesn't exist. It just simply means it's not in our top mind awareness. I'm in a beautiful city right now, and I can look around and I can see all the awesome things that are around right now. But at the same time, I can look on the ground and I can see trash. Or I can look at somebody and go, oh, this person is not smiling. It looks all miserable, you know? Or I can look at a homeless person on the street and be like, oh, you know, they don't take care of their citizens. Whatever it is that I pay attention to, it becomes my reality. Remember, the good and the bad, they both exist. But what determines how we feel, determines our reality every single day, is what we pay attention to. So if you keep seeing bad in your life and you don't want to see that anymore, stop paying attention to it and start to look for the things that you actually love in your life. Start to appreciate the things that you like. Be grateful for the things that you have. And soon enough, our attention starts to change and we start to actually focus on the things that we love. And then we stop focusing on the things that we don't love. We stop focusing on the bad. And remember, they don't disappear. They simply just aren't in our radar anymore. And when they're not in our reality anymore, it doesn't matter. Everybody can experience their reality differently based on what they pay attention to. The power of our life determines by where we put our attention, by where we look, by where we pay our attention to.